Hey guys, welcome to today's video on the Vailman Cable Polarity Checker Kit. It's this thing here and then this little unit left inside the plastic. Basically what this is used for is diagnosing problems with electric circuits, so it'll be useful for a bunch of future videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here's everything that comes with the kit. The first step is to take the board and to break off this piece here, because it's actually two different things. As you can see on the instructions here, it calls you to break this off. So that's what we'll do. There we go, the piece is broken off. So for this video, I'm going to start with the main board and then I'll do the little piece at the very end. One thing we got to be really careful of here is that we use the correct diodes in the correct places. So it's marked on the board, and then I have instructions telling me what D1, ZD2, ZD1, and ZD3 on this piece are. And basically what it is that there is one regular diode and there are 3 Zener diodes, which it's marked on the side of the diode. I'll see if I can maybe get you guys so that you can see it here. You can kind of see there. On the side of the diode there's markings, and you can read them and it'll tell you which is which. The instructions have, let's see, get you zoomed in. It'll say, like, diode 1 says BAT85 on the side of it, and then the different Zener diodes have these markings on the side of it. So that's how you differentiate which one goes where. And there we go. The first part's done. Now I just got to do this little second part. Okay, the final step that it calls for is to put this shrink tubing over the outside of this. It seemed kind of like a waste of shrink tubing, so I'm not going to do that. I just got to make sure I don't short anything out on this, and I'll be fine using it. Okay, so to test the kit, we have our power supply from a previous video here, and we're going to attempt to do a couple of things with it. So we're going to plug in our battery onto the back side of this, and then when you turn it on, you can see it's registering as a circuit open because these two cables are not connected to anything. So we'll stick this down here. Then if we connect them to their proper leads here, it goes to, I don't know if you can see this, sorry. It goes to polarity OK because the negative is connected to the negative and the positive is connected to the positive. So then if we remove them and swap them so they're on the wrong sides, we should get polarity inverted. And then if we remove them both and just touch them together, we get a short circuit. So this kit is working totally properly, and it's really good if you don't want to pull out a multimeter and go through a whole bunch of steps. You can just use these and figure out if your circuit's built properly or not. Quick interjection. I forgot to mention this power supply is not even plugged in. This kit works totally fine just connecting it to circuits without power, which is really good because you don't have to sometimes have your circuits powered on to diagnose issues with them. It's an awesome kit. One more comment to make. I forgot to mention what this little piece here is for. Basically what this piece is for is to test your unit. So let's get this cable out of the way. If you connect the red to the red and the black to the black, you should get polarity OK. And that flipping back and forth is just because I don't have great connections. And then if you connect the red to the black and the black to the red, you get polarity inverted. So, and then if you just connect these two, you'll always get a short circuit. So what this is useful for is testing to make sure that you built this properly. This is the actual tool. This turned out really well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.